Hi,
Hello, can
am
you
I
hear me?
audible to you, Sayed?
Yeah, you are.
What should I call you, Sayed or Faraz?
You can call me Farhan.
All right.
That'd be
So,
better.
Faraz, what do you do?
I work, I work in the healthcare sector
All right.
as senior executive.
Okay. Healthcare.
So,
That's great.
been
That's
healthcare, yeah. Though I'm not from this background, healthcare background.
Oh,
I'm just a plain English honors graduate.
English honors graduate. That's great.
Yeah. So
All right.
yeah, I have been working. So earlier I was working in a travel profile.
Mhm.
So,
Mm.
but due to sudden change in shifts, so I uh, wanted to have a job wherein I can get fixed Saturday Sunday off. So I scrolled through the number of jobs and I got this opportunity. So I've been working in this domain for the past 2 years.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Yeah,
So, Faraz, today, you know why we are here, right? To learn English, maybe to improve. That's the right word, right?
absolutely.
All right. So I want you to tell me before the session starts, I mean, before we begin with anything else, you want me to correct you at the end of each sentence or at the end of the whole paragraph that you've spoken, or maybe at the end of the session where I can tell you, okay, you made all these mistakes and you need to correct upon. So you have to tell me, where do I have to correct you? Maybe I have to stop you during the conversation at the end of the session. Tell me.
Which would be best? Like you tell me. I am okay with
With anything.
anything.
All right. See,
Yeah, yeah.
the whatever question I ask you, when you complete your answer, I'm going to tell you what all mistakes did you made, or maybe you did not make. Okay. Maybe because at the end of the session there might be many things that I might forget to tell. So that would be
Yeah,
better.
yeah. Right, right. Yeah.
Right? All right. So today we are going to talk about self-improvement. Okay.
Self-improvement. Okay.
That is the topic for you, and you need to speak upon it. I mean, I'm going to ask you a question regarding the same topic, and you'll speak about 1 to 2 minutes. I'll stop you then. Okay?
Okay, all right. Fine.
Okay. So, your question is that what are the things that you're doing this year for self improvement? And what have you done in the past to improve yourself so far? Why, how is this course helping you in improving yourself? And what do you think are the benefits of improving your, keep improving ourselves every month or maybe every year? What are the benefits according to you? So, all you need to speak upon this topic for a while now. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, start.
Uh, yeah. So the very first thing is that I why I have chosen this course, Clapping course, is to improve my skills, to be a better speaker, to be a fluent speaker, and this is my goal. And I guess that opting this opting this course uh, is a good decision. That I've made a good decision, and I can because right now I have just taken a couple of classes only, and now even then I can see the difference after taking in a couple of classes only. So now, because what I want is uh, to be a fluent speaker in a way wherein I don't have to think much, and whatever the topic is given to me, or let's say if there is a group discussion is going on, wherein I can just go on non-stop without making any grammatical mistakes, or to to become an influential speaker. That's what I want. And to stick on the topic, I would say that I have been improving myself, and I am improving on a daily basis. Earlier, I used to stutter a lot. That also is one of the major reasons why I have opted this course, uh, just to speak on a daily basis, and wherein I'll be uh, wherein the tutors can correct me if my pronunciation if it goes wrong,
Hmm.
and if I make any grammatical mistake also,
Hmm.
if if there is any improvement, there is something that can be improved on my thought process too. So that also this course would eventually help with.
Mm-hmm.
And and so sticking to the same point, to the stuttering point, which I have made, that I have been improving on it, and to some extent I am able to overcome it.
Mm-hmm.
And I have been working for the past 5 or 6 years, or maybe more than that. So, and I have been in a calling profile. So I have been talking to international clients. So that has also helped me a lot. So, and I know that, and I read a lot. So this also is another thing that is benefiting me on a daily basis. So I know
Mm-hmm.
for a fact that, so I, on a daily basis, I keep making a conscious effort that for us, yes, we have to achieve this. So I don't write things that, like right now, I don't have any goal that I have to reach there, or you know,
All right.
the only thing which I know, which I'm striving for, is to improve myself on a daily basis,
All right.
to become a better version of myself. So
That's
that is my ultimate goal. Yeah.
okay. So, for us, you're doing good. Okay. I mean, you are one of the English speakers who knows what to say, who knows English by far. The only problem is there, sometimes you get out of words. So you have to use the words like, that sometimes, to the person you're speaking to, who is, you can say, a pioneer in English, might judge you. Are you getting me?
Right,
I
right,
mean,
right,
yeah,
right.
that's the problems that are happening. You sometimes get out of words, and that basically happens with anyone. Even it can happen with me. You can get out of words, but getting it repeatedly would make a person realize, okay, that person has thoughts in mind but is not able to bring it here, maybe because of the language issues. Otherwise, you're too good. I mean, you have vocabulary, you use the words like striving. All right, you use the word like upgrading myself, improve upon myself, a better version of myself. That implies that you know English. It's that you know a better part of English. For learning that, you need to keep reading that you're already doing. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Now I'll help you with something using the words. Um, mm, I like these are fillers in English. Okay, we
yeah.
call them fillers while speaking. So instead of sometimes repeating the words, you can say, I think so, yeah, and according to me, these are also fillers. But in these fillers would help you to be continuous in your speaking and would not make the other
Yeah.
person listening to you that this person is thinking. Okay, that is
And
the
to
only thing. Yeah,
yeah, and to
say.
fill that gap in a better manner.
Yeah. So that also implies repetition of few words. The word that I am changing myself on a daily basis was repeated, I guess, 4 times in your conversation, which should not happen. So that would happen when you increase your vocabulary skills on a daily basis in my
Right.
routine life. Every second of my thing, every day, daily basis has also many synonyms that you can use. So you work upon two things for us. One, fillers.
Okay.
Second, your vocabulary. Okay.
Okay.
Third, most important part that I'm going to say, you're reading English. That's why you're here. If you start thinking in English, you'll reach here. Okay.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
the native language that we speak. I think
Yeah.
in Hindi, so I'm a Hindi speaker. I think in English, I'll become a fluent English speaker. So there are many
Right.
occasions, maybe while you are traveling, or maybe you're just sitting, spending time with yourself. You think something, right? If you start
Yeah.
thinking in this language, you'll become a very, very fluent English speaker because you can do better. I'm very sure of it. You know the vocab, you know the
Yeah.
words, you know English. You're not making grammatical mistakes, which is A1, which doesn't happen with learners here on Clapping. Okay.
Okay. That's a relief.
I mean, I have to correct the grammar.
Just a sec. I guess I
Yeah,
lost you there. Just a sec.
yeah.
I lost you there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I guess we are up. Yeah,
Yeah. So
yeah.
that is
Please
what I was
continue.
trying
Yeah.
to say, that you are good. Again, you're the only person I'm not improving grammar on. Only the fluency, you need to work upon that. Rather than that, today also you might be given this material before the session starts, right?
No, I don't like in like for like whatever sessions I had, I did not get any
No,
material.
no, not the like
I searched.
vocab. I mean, are you given some material post session that you have to read upon, maybe on your
No,
vocabulary or something? No, nothing. All right. So
no.
about today's topic was self improvement. Related to self improvement, you're going to today itself. You're going to read the various vocabulary that is there in the word self improvement. What can be the other words in self improvement? What other synonyms can be used? So that is what I want you to do. Other than this, I'll
Okay.
also ask you some more questions regarding self improvement. So,
Yeah, sure.
Faraz, you tell me anyone that you have witnessed around you, maybe in your office, in family, relatives, neighborhood, who has really done a lot to improve themselves. Please tell me about their improvement, about their journey of improvement. How did it, inspire you? That's what I want to ask you.
Mm, the immediate example is, or the immediate example would be my cousin.
Okay.
Uh, so he's a NSD pass out graduate, and so he used to live in Tilokpuri, and
Mm.
the kind of places that my mother was born and raised there in Tilokpuri, and
Mm-hmm.
so he's my cousin, and so he had studied in a government school, and he did his schooling from the government school, and of course that was English medium.
Mm.
And
Mm.
then he got so in his school time he used to do this theatrical plays and all. So he has started at this stage doing all the plays and all. And the though the medium was Hindi, but he had been trying to improve his English because he had this goal in his mind that where he has to reach.
Mm. Mm.
So now he's doing very good. So you must have seen that uh, series, uh, Family Man. Have you
Yeah,
watched that
yeah, the
Family
the
Man series?
family man. Yeah, yeah, Irfan Khan, right? No, no, no. This Manoj Vajpayee, Manoj Vajpayee. Yeah,
Okay, so you have seen it? Have you
yeah,
seen it?
yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, the negative character uh,
Mhm.
is Sajid.
Yeah, yeah. Who was admitted in the hospital, and he killed a nurse also.
No, no, no. That is Musa.
Oh,
The
the person with him.
Sajid who always who always wears the cap.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So he's
He's
your
my
cousin?
brother.
Oh,
He's my
that's
brother.
good. That's really
Yeah,
good,
yeah,
and that's really inspiring. See,
yeah,
from
yeah.
here he reached
It
here.
is. Yeah. So I really admire his courage to reach there, and I know what all circumstances he had
He's been
gone
through.
through.
He's been
Yeah,
through.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. He's been through, and yeah, and the thing is that he doesn't care about it. You know
Hmm.
that where he's from. Of course, now though now he's in Mumbai,
That should not matter. Where you are from, that should not
that
matter. That's my
that
process.
should not matter. The present state should matter
Yeah,
where you are.
yeah,
So yeah,
exactly. And
that
you
is
are here.
and
In English, you are here. Okay, remember that. Because the session is going to end soon. I
yeah,
want
yeah.
you to
All right.
feel very good about it. Be confident you're doing very well. All right. It's just that you need
Thank
to
you
work
so
upon
much.
your fillers and repetition of words. Try to find as much as vocabulary as you can, and you will do very good in future. Okay.
Thank you so much, and
All
thank
right.
you so much for motivating me.
Yeah,
It was lovely talking to
that's
you.
really important in case of learners. There are many learners who are only looking for motivation. Otherwise, they're good. They're waiting for a
Yeah,
motivated person or a motivation to make them improve upon themselves. And you're doing good. All right.
thank
It's
you.
just Start thinking in English. Start watching some good English series, that would really help you. A web series or something. Their conversations, their accent, that really helps you.
Especially, you will find it strange that I have been watching movies, English movies, since my childhood. I
Your
only
English
watch English
honors,
movies.
your English honors. I'm so surprised, and you're here. I'm really surprised to see, in fact, know this fact.
Yeah, yeah, but still,
Mm-hmm.
I know that where I lack is, so I know that I want to be a fluent speaker and I want
Mm-hmm.
to improve. Of course, there is always some scope to improve, and
Yeah,
I guess it will be a better option, and it'll
definitely.
be good
Yeah.
for me. Yeah.
Definitely, definitely. Keep doing what you're doing. You'll do good. It's just like try to speak as much as English as you can with as many people, maybe your friends who are not ready to judge you. There are people who are going to correct you at the moment you start speaking English, and your confidence, instead of getting boosted up, would go down. Rather, speak with
Yeah,
people,
yeah.
surround yourself with people who are positive, who are going to, tell you that you're doing good. That's really important in speakers like you, who are already good,
Think,
but need.
th- uh, thing is that in my office or in my team that I have that I have always been considered as a very good speaker. Like
Hmm.
that
Mm-hmm.
he is the one that who speaks like who has a
Comparatively.
good command over the language,
All
and
right.
yeah. So, but I know that overall I have to improve. So
No, no, no. That's really good. That's really good. You'll do good. Just what I've told you, just remember those points. Okay. Your
I will
pronunciations,
surely
grammar.
implement
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. Surely do it, because that would really help you to reach where you desire to be. I mean, okay. Vocab is very important in English speaking. If you speak a language, if you speak a language and you use different synonyms, the person listening to you is already convinced. No matter what you're convincing the person to, the person is already taken away. When he's hearing you, or he or she is hearing you, she knows that you're confident enough to speak a language which is not your mother tongue. So you're saying
Yeah.
something which is very true. That's why you're speaking so confidently. So that matters a lot. Okay, and that would obviously boost up your confidence too. You'll see that how you're improving yourself, not just the sessions that you're taking here. Clapping Go, I am very sure, is going to help you a lot,
Yeah.
because it's
And
one to one.
I am, yeah.
It is
Right,
one to
right.
one conversation, so that really matters. There are not people who are going to listen to you and tell you that you are wrong here, you should do this. It's